Hello, this is Amanda Parks, and I'm here at New York Fashion Week, actually the men's part of Fashion Week, where I've just seen the runway show of the great streetwear label Dine. Now what makes Dine so special is that, in addition to having great style, they also use lots of interesting, innovative technical fabrics in their collection. And this is what I want to talk to you more about when we meet each other at the upcoming Fuse Festival. So it'll be about the future of innovation in the space of fashion and technology. Now, I'm sure you're all aware of what's been going on in the world of wearable tech. So through devices like the Fitbit, we're able to quantify ourselves, measure ourselves, track things about our health, track our steps. But what I'm talking about goes way beyond that. We're talking about an actual revolution in science, in fiber science, and that's where I work, behind the scenes in the laboratory. And what I like to call the idea of science is the new luxury. And if you think about it, science and luxury actually have a lot in common. They're very hard to do, they're expensive, and they're rare. And so what we're really looking at is how we actually can use the modalities of production of fibers and the textiles that we are creating to actually become the interactive experiences that we associate with technology. So, for example, there's revolutions going on in material science and how that we can actually grow lab-grown fibers, like modifying DNA to create spider silk in the lab, growing lab-grown leather from the root structure of mushrooms, new advances in sustainability around recycling and reclaiming fibers down to their original chemistries. But there's also the push to make more interesting technical fibers. So fibers that can actually function like our devices. Fibers that function as microphones, as speakers, as batteries, as solar panels, and that they can all literally be embedded as the fibers of our garments. And what this allows us to do is to create an entirely new mobile environment. So it'll change the way, not only the way that we protect ourselves and have a kind of clothing as a second skin, but also as in the way that we interact with the world, the way that we interact with each other, how we connect to the Internet of Things, to entire data structures, and have basically an entirely new open set of opportunities and experiences. Now, fashion will always be a language of personal expression, and that's what's so wonderful about this revolution is we're not losing any of the beauty, the glamour, the softness, the flexibility that goes along with what we already so love about fashion. We're just expanding it to have a new reality of our augmented selves. So I look forward to talking to you more about this in April, and thanks a lot. Bye-bye.